Hey, this is Dwayne Morris, the Urban Soul Chef, and today we're going to make some sweet peach tea. All right, we got some ripe peaches here, and we're going to muddle or mash them up. This is going to loosen the juices in the peaches. Get them as ripe as you can. Just put them in a bowl and mash them together like this. Pour some sugar on them, and you'll find all of my ingredients in the details as well. Put the sugar on it, let it sit a little while. The sugar is going to soak up the juices. Doesn't that look delicious? I like peaches, and when you do it like this, even sometimes it's tempting to eat it. All right, get your tea, your favorite brand tea, and begin to boil it according to the directions or according to your personal taste. You know, some of us have our own personal recipes for simply boiling tea. So make your tea as you would. Personally, I like Louisiana and Lipton. Actually, I thought I cut all this out, but it still looks good. All right, get your pitcher, pour you in some sugar. Then the tea that you had boiling over on the pot, the regular tea, get it, pour it in on the sugar. So this way, when the tea and the sugar, while the tea is hot, the sugar can begin to melt. And that's going to make the combining of the water and tea pretty smooth. All right, now that's regular sweet tea right there. Nothing but the tea that you boiled and the sugar, no extra water, just the tea. All right, here we have the peaches. They have sat for a while and the juices have come out, and you can see how it's loose. It's turned into a peachy syrup. And you get your water, and what you're finna do now is actually make some peach tea without sugar. Well, excuse me, you do have some sugar, but make some peach tea. And we're gonna boil this, and it's gonna combine the peach juice with the sugar and water, and you're gonna have a peach simple syrup. Oh yeah, a peach simple syrup. Oh yes, that looks good right there. It's boiling, and you can even see the color of the bubbles. The bubbles are a peachy color, peachy pink, yellowish color. I like gas. I don't like electric stoves. Look at that. It's rising to the top. Cream rises to the top, but peach does as well. All right, we got the tea here. I put some ice in there, and I poured in, I didn't show you, but I poured in the peach simple syrup. And you can have some lemons, top it with a little lemon juice, mix it together, and you have peach tea. Simple recipe. I didn't want to take too long making the video, but just take a little time. And once you make this tea, you have it for a couple of days, or either drink it in one sitting. But this is my recipe for peach tea. Hey, if you have not hit that subscribe button, do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button and become part of the Urban Soul Chefs community. Thank you for tuning in to this, tuning into this video, and hopefully you check some more videos out here on my channel. God bless you, and thanks again for tuning in.